Yeah, I like that one. We get that one right there. This one right here. Oh, I guess we're going to get the peach lemonade, huh? Yeah, that'll do.
That it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. This right here? Oh, no, this good, though. That right there. You talking about this right here?
How much alcohol in the cup, y'all? You can't see.
You gonna get it? That look, I like that bottle, how it look. Look at that, y'all.
I wonder how much.
Which one you get? The pink one? Oh, yeah, that's an eye catcher.
Oh, yeah,
20.
20.
Yeah.
What you want to get this?
What, instead of that? Or both?
I'm saying both. This got 20, that got 30.
You getting both?
Yeah, I got that pink with me and that
Are you getting,
wine.
you want to pick one or both?
No, I'm saying we can get that, but I was trying to see about this one too. But this one
Oh,
got
it doesn't
20%.
matter. That one's the only one that looked like it's good. Oh, that margarita one. Pick that one up. That one right there, yeah.
It's the same thing.
Same, yeah. But that one look like it tastes better though. Just get the well, it don't even matter to me. Look like I'm finished that so
You have a
fast.
buzz, baby. You have a quick buzz.
Yeah.
That's what you want, a quick buzz.
Right. And that little thing, 15. I haven't had one in quite a long time.
We sell a lot of those.
I'm surprised y'all not sold out.
Hey, babe, we have sold the liquor to them. I've been cussed at. I've been screamed at. I've been hollered at. I've been...
Oh, God.
Oh, it's been bad. People just so ugly.
Oh, yeah. They do have ugly people in the
I had a
world.
lady come over here. I come down this aisle. I had like 8 people on this side, 8 people on this side. So I went and got a burger.
Right.
This lady started on me. Well, you need to have somebody over here all the time. I'm thinking, lady, I am only one person who is in on.
Right, you didn't know who was first or still
I
shopping.
just said, who's next?
Right.
So I come up today. And
Right.
Oh.
ugly.
Oh, yeah, I see the day, not your day.
Said that because everybody's going through something.
Yeah.
You know, be compassionate to the other person.
Right.
Y'all have.
Just a separate one.
Yeah, I'm gonna purchase
Okay.
this.
Sure thing. May I see ID?
Hey,
Wait, you said what?
I need me some gum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
$24.